Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY Tech Den tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record or how to set up OBS on macOS for screen recording. So OBS is free open source software and it works on Linux, Mac, and Windows. In my opinion, it is probably one of the best applications that you can use for recording your screen because it is user friendly. So the first step is to download the OBS Studio application software and navigate obsproject.com, click macOS, and as you can see, I'm using M1 chips, so I'm going to click the macOS Apple Silicon. So once the file has been downloaded, okay, let us see the file. Show in folder, double click and drag down this icon to this folder, then just click proceed if you don't have any other version for OBS. Since I've already installed OBS application, so I'll just start the process, and after that you can open your OBS from the application. I'll just type OBS, and as you can see, double click, or there's another one is the launchpad. From here you can open you will be able to see the OBS. Just click it, and yeah, your OBS looks like this, of course without these sources. So the second step is to install virtual audio capture device. On macOS, by default, OBS is not able to capture native audio signal from your machine. In the out of the box installation of OBS, if you record your screen while watching YouTube video, OBS will capture just your screen, but not the audio signal, which you would otherwise hear through the headphones or internal speakers. So to get a bridge between default macOS audio output and OBS, we'll need to install virtual audio device driver. So in that case, I'm using virtual audio device. Okay, so yeah, just click this one, vv-audio.com. You can see there are two versions for Windows and for the Mac OS. So click the Mac OS, and yeah, it's going to be downloaded. So let me just explain the virtual audio device. So when using OBS, when you record your screen, you will be able to record only your screen. Now if you want to record including the audio, you will not be able to do that if you don't have this virtual audio device. That's why you need to install this, so that this audio device or virtual audio device will serve as a bridge. So from your desktop, the audio device will going to transmit the sound going to the OBS. So that's why you need this. You need to install this virtual audio device if you need the sound from your desktop. Now we'll proceed to step number 3, which is to create multi-output the audio device. So from our previous BB cable device we've just created, it will be used by OBS to capture the audio signal. So the last thing to do is to pipe audio signal from our internal speakers or headphones to BV cable virtual device to let OBS hear that as well. So in order to do that, let's navigate our launchpad or utilities. You can open utilities, or you can just type audio MIDI setup. Click that one, and here you will see all audio input and outputs registered in the system. As for me, I have already created a multi-output device, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So click the plus icon here in the left bottom corner, and then select create multi-output device. Okay, so there are two things that we are going to tick. One is the audio, the virtual audio device, and the second one is the speaker that we are going to use. So in this video, I'm going to use the MacBook Pro speakers. So yeah, now it's created. I'm going to rename this to just desktop recording and MacBook. That's it. Then we'll proceed to the next step. So the next step is to configure audio and video settings in OBS. So to do that, just go back to OBS application, open settings, and from audio you can select the desired microphone settings. So this is one option. You can also select from here and choose your microphone, but in my case, I added this audio input settings from the scenes. So I have a scene here. I'll make another video on how to create a scene. So from scene, there are sources, and in here you have the option to add an audio input capture. So just click this plus button here and add input capture. So once you add it, you can just click these three dot buttons and select the properties, and you can select which device you want to use. So I created another one because I'm using another device, and I renamed it to Sudo mic condenser. So from the properties, as you can see here, I'm using the USB condenser microphone, and that's for the microphone. And for the settings in the output, yeah, I just selected the simple output mode, and video bitrate 2500 kbps, audio bitrate 160. So yeah, encoder software, and from encoder preset, I selected the very fast, medium CPU usage, and from here also you can choose the recording path. Okay, and the recording quality, you can choose high quality, medium file size, and you can select the recording format of your video. So in my case, I choose MKB because when there is a what we call this, a lag or something happened to your computer, it automatically save and you will not lose the recording. And encoder, yeah. Then from advanced settings, there is an option here where you can automatically save to MP4. So from MKV to MP4, once you ended the recording, it will automatically convert it to MP4. And video, you can select from it's depends on your preference. So as for me, I use this resolution, and common FPS values set to 30. So okay, so that's it. And one more thing is for the if you want to record your full desktop, you can choose display capture. So from here, there is an option to add a display. So you can just select your window or your built-in retina display or whatever you are using as a monitor. Now in desktop audio settings, just click this three dot button. So from properties, select the BV cable. Since you want to record the sound of your desktop, you need this in order for the sound of the desktop to be transmitted to the OBS. So just click that one, click OK, and all will be set. And one last thing is that don't forget to change your speaker here. So previously we have created the multi-output device, which is the MacBook. So before you start recording, just change the sound settings to the one I created desktop recording MacBook. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video.